nobler in mind us, that strengthen our frustrated force, or to take arms against the oppressor, and by all his enemies. To die, to sleep, no more and by a sleep, to save the end, the heartache, and the thousand natural shocks that flesh and air. This consummated devotes each day wish, to die, to sleep for set free, I, death around. For in the sleep of death, what brings me come, when we have shuffled up in mortal toil, but even hope. For who would bear the officers from the province consumed, the banks of Neptune love, the lost relate. To run and sweat under a weary life, but not dread of something after death. The undiscovered country from whose born no traveler returns, but of the wheel, and make the brother bear, so guilt we have, then fly to others that we know not of. Thus, when science makes cohort of us all, and thus, a you of resolution is quickly over with the veil of grief, and enterprise to great vision moment, with regard to these, their currents turn away, and lost the name of time. Stop enough. Prepare Petra, the dire horizon, the Almighty remember.